So this is a 7 elements Yagi for the amateur band going to Batangas for Mr. Nilo Andaya. So let's check the antenna configuration. We have a mid-mount antenna and we have a SO239 feed point. We have a driven element here and a gamma match which is used to tune the antenna. We have the tuning stub. So each element is mounted on the boom using bolt and nuts. So you have to tighten the bolt and nuts on top of the elements. And I'm going to put a number on each element, so you just need to put back the elements with their corresponding numbers on the boom. So we have the SO239 connector feed point and the tuning stub for our gamma match. So let's check the frequency response of this antenna. This is designed for 145 megahertz. So let's check the frequency curve. On 145 megahertz, it's 1.09 or 1.1 SWR. So let's check the frequency in which Mr. Nilo would like it to be used. So 145.580. So at 145.580, we have 1.16 or 1.2 SWR on that frequency. So let's check the other SWR on other frequencies from 145 going to 142. We have 145 at minus 27.75 dB return loss. 144 is 1.2, 143 is 1.4, 142 is 1.7. So let's go up. 146 is 1.16 or 1.2, 147 is 1.38 or 1.4, 148 is 1.7, and 149 is 2:1 SWR. So this antenna is usable up to 149 from 142 megahertz. So let's check the frequency curve. We have the center at 145, that's 1.06 or 1.1. We have the frequency sweep from 142 to 149. SWR on the lowest frequency, which is 142, is around 1.7, and the highest frequency on 149 is around 2:1 SWR. So this antenna is ready for shipping and it's going to Batangas City for Mr. Nilo Andaya. So we have the impedance. Wait, let's check the impedance of the antenna. Let's increase the, it's 49.66 on 145 megahertz antenna impedance. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoy the tuning video of this 7 elements Yagi antenna. Until next time.